walked alone in search of a star. You are that star. You're the one I've waited for. All of my life, there's a song to sing, a chorus for two. All that love can bring, I'll share here with you. You can make it all come true. So, darling, all of your life to share is all I'm asking. All of the minutes and the years, all of your happiness and sometimes all your tears. So, darling, all of my life to share is all I give you. All of the flowers and the field. We'll walk together through the sunsets and the There was a time I knew that no matter come what may, love would prevail. And then, inside the dreams I knew, came the question lovers feel, can true love fail? Jeff. Then I would miss the child who wished and haven't done some to you. Francesca.
I know, bright, faithful and true to you.
Darling, after all, I will be the one to hold you in my arms. And after all, I will be the one to hold you. I will be the one to hold you in my arms. In my arms. Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there, ever.
When there's no getting over that rainbow,
And highlight.
when my smallest dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Touch me and I end up singing. Troubles seem to up and disappear. You touch me with the love you bring in. I can't really lose when you're near.
When you're near, my love.
Ma'am, man o sa lupa, walang alinlangan, isa lang babaeng pumihag sa aking puso. Ikaw lang yun, Nat.
Eduardo, alam mo namang hindi na ako pwedeng umibig, hindi ba? Ayoko na.
Eh, bakit naman bibigyan ako may nararamdaman mo para sa akin?
Basta, ang gusto ko, ganito na lang muna tayo. Isa pa, marami naman nakaka-relate sa love story natin, hindi ba?
Eh bakit naman pipigilan mo pa? Nararamdaman mo samantala. Sa huli, tayong dalawa pa rin naman.
Sigurado ka dyan? Nako, basta ito ang alam kong kantang bahay para sa ating dalawa.
Ladies and gentlemen, the songbird, Regine Velasquez. Wanna take your time tonight. Let's make every minute slow. You can feel me letting go. I could tell you anything. Silent dreams and what they need. Angel wings and let it long.
Oh, my heart is melting when I'm buried in your arms. Rivers rushing through the night, holding on so tight. You never know if this could be your time. Any heart could fool of mine. It could be real love, baby. You never know if this could be our time. Any heart could fool of mine. It could be real love. You never know if this could be our time. Any heart could fool of mine. It could be real love, baby.
Love stories in real life are more compelling than what we see on TV or in the movies. Katulad po nung pag-ibig ko na natagpuan ko po ay masasabi kong ito na yung totoong love story ko. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa asawa ko sa'yo because I think you're the best dad in the whole wide world. You know how to change diapers. You know how to make us laugh. Thank you so much for also being so patient with me kasi I'm really crazy. Trust me. Looking at my family makes me feel nothing but so much gratitude. Kaya dapat ngayon, ikaw naman, you tell me how much you love me, no?
Well, honey, she's not just my wife, but you're also my best friend.
Naa?
Yeah.
Wow, naa.
Thanks for everything you've done for this family and
Yes.
taking care of all of us
Ay,
and giving birth to a son and a daughter for us to enjoy for the rest of our lives. I love you.
Mommy, I love you forever.
Yay! Kiss, kiss. Oh. And this is our real love story.
All of your life the same.